So here is the Mosalogic UV fly trap that we just picked up. It is starting to get warm outside, warmer in our area, and we are having some gnats and fruit flies come in. So whenever they come in, we want to just eliminate them all together. So that was our motivation behind getting the Mosalogic. Just wanted to give you just an overview of his features. I purchased the 2-pack kit. So it's very straightforward. You open them up. It comes with plenty of sticky cards as well. I thought I was going to have to order some extra ones. Didn't have to do that. I came with multiple packs of sticky cards. You just slide those in with the print facing down, and you want the sticky side of the card to face the wall, so that way you're not having to see any of the dead bugs. So I'm going to turn the light off for you and give you a view of what it looks like in UV mode. So that is UV mode right there. And as you see, it has that nice ultraviolet light, and it uses the wall almost like a reflection point. So it really does attract any bugs that may be in the area. Now this Mosalogic has multiple modes to it. So let me step you through the modes. There was a bit of confusion on my part because it's advertised as auto sensing, which it is, but it's not auto sensing for the UV mode. So this UV mode right here is always on. If you put it in UV mode, there's only one setting and it's always on. What's auto sensing is the night light mode, and let me show you that. So mode number 1 is your UV mode. I'm going to hit the button that's on the side here. Now if I tap that button, I have just put it now into night light mode. So with the tap of the button, now we're into night light mode. And we're going to tap it one more time to get into the third mode. And you saw it flash right there. Now it's in auto sensing night light mode. So let me show you here what I'm talking about. So now you see we're in night light mode and it's on. I'm going to turn the light on and watch what happens to the light. You saw that it went out. So now it's in night light mode that's auto sensing. I'm going to turn the light back on for you, and the night light comes on. So that's the auto sensing mode that's advertised. It's just for the night light. Now we can click the buttons and get back to UV mode, or as a quick way to get back there, you unplug the device, plug it back in. Now you're into UV mode. So that's just a quick overview of the Mosalogic UV fly trap. It's worked well for us. I'll show you here. I've had it for a couple of days or so, and you see I've got my first kill down here in the corner. So if you're looking for a quality fly trap to help give you some relief from these gnats and fruit flies and other insects, definitely give this Mosalogic here some consideration.